Hi, my name is Ty. I'm an apprentice technician at Saskatoon Mitsubishi. Today I will show you how to change your wipers on your Mitsubishi vehicle. First, you will have to find out what specific length you need for your vehicle. You can measure them yourself or ask your local dealer. Note that the driver and passenger might be different sizes. Now to begin, locate the blades on your car. Lift the wiper arms into the air. Usually they'll hold themselves up with spring tension. Now I'll show you how to remove your old wiper blades. Find the tab on the bottom, push it up and slide the wiper off, pull it off and discard. Grab your new blades, open them up, and now to install. Line the new blade up, put it on, slide it on. You hear that click, it's all good to go. Now for the passenger side. For the passenger side, we have a different type of blade. Just got to pop this tab up, and to install, put this through here, latch it on, pull it a little tight, clip it on, and you're good to go. Once again, my name is Ty. Thanks for coming along with me today. Share this video and comment if you want to see any more service videos from Saskatoon Mitsubishi.